Welcome everyone to our deployment guide of our Fox-1 model that is now public and chattable for everyone to use on our TensorOpera AI platform. This model is developed by our research team in-house, and you can get access to it by our model hub on the TensorOpera AI platform. I'm already here, and right under my picture you find the Fox-1 Instruct model that I'm just clicking on, and immediately it opens our playground, where I can type in any prompt I wish and test my model that is answered within a couple of seconds. Further than that, I can already integrate this public endpoint into my own application by getting access on the API tab on the top left and integrating the OpenAI standard format into my application. If I would like to have my own dedicated endpoint, right under my picture, I can deploy this model immediately myself in this account. I just name the endpoint, choose a resource type that is provided by one of our providers. These can be dedicated to you, or those can be a serverless and a usage-based one. Underneath the resource type, I choose how many cards should support this replica of the model. In this demo, I'm fine with one, but for faster inference, you can choose more cards that support this replica. Further, I want to enable the auto-scaling feature that allows the endpoint to automatically scale up and down depending on how many concurrent requests are coming in from my user demand. In this case, I'm choosing that after 10 concurrent requests, the model should automatically scale up all the way to a maximum of 10 replicas. All right, I'm happy with my decision window when it should scale up and down, and I am deploying my endpoint with one further click without writing any lines of code. All right, the endpoint is initializing and is going to be deployed in a second. I already get access in the endpoint to the tabs on the top. This will be the playground that you already saw in the beginning of the video, the API OpenAI standard format, where you can integrate that into your application. I have further access to the system monitoring to see what is the real-time traffic coming in, how does my model or my replicas, my endpoint respond, and then other features that help me monitor my endpoint, such as the latency, CPU utilization, and so on. I get access to the prediction log to see what my users prompted into the model, what the output was, and then also the deployment logs in case I want to do any debugging, and I get the user statistics for it. All right, and that already shows what you can do with Fox-1, and I'm very excited to see Fox-1 get integrated into your application.